Kids, let's learn how to frame sentence with this and that by using is. Do you know is is called is? As we all know, this and that is used for singular, something which is one in number. Like here, if you see the cap, count it. How many? One. What about the flower? This is also one. So, singular means something which is one in number. It can be name, place, person, animal, anything. Okay? But the counting should be one of that object. Now, this and that we use for singular. And when we frame the sentence, we use is with this and that. जब भी हम कोई सेंटेंस बनाएंगे this और that से, we will use is. Like here, this is a picture of what? Right, this is cap. So you will write the sentence, this is a cap. Now here, what is this? Flower. What you will frame the sentence? That is a flower. Because that is used for something which is far from you. If you see, cap is near and flower is far. So this is a cap and that is a flower. So now, always remember, whenever you frame the sentence with this and that, use is with it. Bye. Thank you and keep watching my videos. Have a happy learning.